today's video is going to be an unboxing and a surprise unboxing, right, Luna? Yeah, because I got an Influenster box right about here today. Looks like this. I have like no idea what it is. It says it's your share it with the world. It's yours. Share it with the world. I have no idea. I constantly, like in the Influenster app, review and then apply to review things, and in that app you like have to be constant, like active in it, so you can get something to review or something of anything, and you never know what you're gonna get. At least I don't remember. So we're gonna open the box that I got today together and find out what it is. It has like this little sippy thing, and I have my daughter right behind me because I'm going to record a few videos, and she's gonna be in one of them. Oh Jesus, I should have gotten better scissors. Well, this is actually like heavy duty tape, so that's why it also has like, it's hard to open it, but here it is. Let's open it together. I like the pink thing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do so and come back to watch more videos. I will really appreciate that. It has random videos here, so anybody could see it. So let's open it. Ta-da! Woo! It actually has 2 items, and it's from Herbal Essence. Woohoo! Congratulations, you're in the Herbal Essence Voxbox. Alright. Voxbox, and there's a couple of things that I need to do. And it has 2 items. I haven't seen these items in the stores actually. Yes, mommy. This is the Herbal Essence Bio Renew 0% paraben, gluten, colorants, and silicone. Refresh blue ginger and micellar water shampoo. What? I never have heard of it, but sounds interesting. I got a full bottle. This is a 4,400 ml, so 13.5 FL ounces, so kind of like a full bottle. It seems to be very clear, but like 0% of nothing, like very interesting. This shampoo is made in a plant that matches electricity with renewable wind credits. What in the world? It is pH balanced, color safe shampoo. The results: soft, free flowing hair. Apply shampoo generously to wet water. Who doesn't know how to apply shampoo? It's an antioxidant, helps purify and protects against what your hair gets used to over time. The result is soft, free, flowy hair. I do have like very like little, like the amount of hair. I don't have as much hair now, but that's due to my chemotherapy when I had ovarian cancer, then when I got pregnant, and then I have this other box in here, and that's about it in this box. This other box in here, and I believe this is a foam conditioner. I've never have tried foam conditioners before, and I didn't even know it existed. It's another thing, looks like a mousse. This is the thing, and here it says refresh blue ginger in the shower foam conditioner. So it's kind of the same thing. It says wash your hair with the shampoo, shake well, apply palm size amount conditioner, let it absorb into the hair, then rinse it off, dry and style your hair as usual. Enjoy hair full of life with every wash. pH balanced, color saved. What in the world? I'm kind of interested in trying this one because I usually get like, I know what the results are going to be with my other shampoos. I like the design here too. That looks like me. But Fresh Foam. I'm really I just want to go and do it and try it. It seems very nice. I haven't seen this in the store, so it's very interesting and exciting to try it. Thank you, Influencer, for including me on my Voxbox to fix my lifeless hair. But that's what I got. Herbal Essence, shampoo and conditioner, pH balance. Can you see my eye in the middle? I'm trying to see if I could see. Very nice. Very excited. I love that it's full-size products to try, because that's when you actually really know, you really test the product and really give your honest opinion. But that is all for today's unboxing of the Influencer box. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much, and you will see this in another video because I'm going to record another video. Anywho, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.